Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the login issues on your Quotex account. So let's get started right away. First of all, make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. And once you do this, open up your web browser. Then type in quotex.com in the address bar and press enter, which will take you into the Quotex website. Then click on the login button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. From here, you may sign in using your Facebook or Google account if you used these to link your account while you signed up. Otherwise, you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type in your email address followed by your password and then click on the sign in button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that was sent to your inbox. Just check your email address and you will find this verification code. You can type it in and click on the sign in button, and if you don't receive it, you can click on the reset pin code button. Make sure you also check on your spam folder for the authentication email. After using your PIN code, you can successfully log into your Quotex account. Now, in case you are unable to receive any code and thus you are not able to log in at all, then you can simply scroll down from the homepage and underneath About Us, click on Contacts. From here, you can choose the account recovery option if your account was closed by mistake. In this case, you can click on Open Contact Form in order to fill up the contact details with the following credentials mentioned available while filling up the form. After submitting this form, you might receive a response about your account status and how you can access it once again. You can also click on Other Problem and directly fill up a support form by entering your account email as well as the email address that they can use to contact you. Now, within your message section, you can simply type in that you are unable to access your account and then click on the Send Request button. After sending your form, you will get a response within your email address that you mentioned within the email to contact you section. From this email, you can follow the instructions and then successfully access your account by fixing your login issues. And there you have it. That is how you can go about to fix your login issues on your Quotex account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.